Why not? Let's do this. I feel pretty screwed with this shadow, guys. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I went against one of these guys. It actually went out pretty well. I still don't get it. I don't get it. I think the best way to do it is try to use an Uber if you have one. Try using Ubers, but then put in spam load to cap so it can like defend the Ubers. There you go, like that, just like that. Please don't be another one. I just took out 3. I was just supposed to. I'm scared to touch that thing. I'm kind of scared to touch it because I'm scared to like take out a shot, like a shadow elephant. If it doesn't, like, I'm gonna stop. Oh, come on! Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Freaking kidding me. Freaking kidding me. Get it again. Okay, thank God. Okay, just one more. Just a couple more. Just a couple more. Defend. 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 Defend! Damn it. Okay. Yes! Yes! Okay, let's see what's in. Okay, my heart's pounding, because I'm scared what will happen. Oh wait, I better not touch that. What the? A zombie? That's it? A zombie, really. Just a zombie. Zombie. Oh, but there's a lot of those things. I think that's gonna be the hard part. Like the zombies I can probably take care of. It's still is ninja guys I'm scared of. I can probably take them down. But I would really be good with the Valkyrie. Oh frick. Oh frick. Oh frick. Oh come on! You have gotta be freaking kidding me! This thing's still recording? Yeah. If I watch one video, I think I'll be able to afford it. This is gonna be an epic fail. I'm gonna watch something so I can get some free cappers. Is that a... No, it's not a... Oh, never mind. I almost thought that was a Charizard. Or Charmander. Oh, Digimon. I never was... Like, I was a Pokemon lover, but I never really had an interest in Digimon. I never even bothered to watch it. I remember, like, watching one episode, but then I hated it. Because it had, like, nothing to do. Like, freaking... No! No! Are you serious? I'm rage quitting. I am freaking rage quitting. Bye.